What if I told you that one of the most anticipated AI models of 2025, Gemini AI Pro, is already within your reach and you can use it completely free? Yes, you heard it right. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure, unadulterated AI power. Stick around because I'm about to expose the secret everyone's been looking for. So now, before we dive into the video, let me just introduce myself. Hello everyone, welcome to Protech Genius. Well, this is me, Surya Prakash. Now, let me explain the benefits and how to claim them. If we take a look at the Gemini AI Pro, its benefit is only second to the Gemini AI Ultra. Gemini AI Ultra is the highest level of AI technology which Gemini uses. If we take a look at its benefits, then you can just take a look at it. Some of the notable features includes 25,000 monthly AI credits across Flow and Whisk, Notebook LLM, Gemini in Gmail, Docs, video, and more. But well, we are not going to cover about this. So let us take a look at the Gemini AI Pro. So what all are included in the Gemini AI Pro? Gemini AI Pro has more access to the most capable models. That is, you'll be able to create more high quality videos with limited access to Video 3.1, but just remember all the video clips are limited to 8 seconds. You'll be able to unlock the access to premium features including deep research, and you'll be able to understand large books with the Notebook LLM. You'll be able to use Flow and Whisk with 10,000 monthly credits. You'll get a 2 TB of total Google Drive storage. You can use your Google Drive for anything and everything. And all things which are included in the free is also included here. So if you want to take a look at these features, all you got to do is open your Gemini app, click on your icon. Like I have my DP here, but if you don't have it, just the letter would be written here. Just click on that icon. You arrive to this page. Just click on the upgrade to Google AI Pro, and if you just click on it, you'll be able to take a look at the features. I know by default we can get it for free for 1 month by just if you're a first time user, you can just use your email to get it for 1 month free. But in this video I'm just not going to cover it. In this video I'm just going to teach you guys how you can get Google Gemini AI Pro for free for 18 months. Well, this offer is limited to people in India, but yes, and even in that there are some more regulations. Like if you're going to check for eligibility, then only the people who are aged between 18 to 25 are eligible for this plan. You can take a look at the features by opening the MyJio app or the designated Jio offer page in online, and you can locate the Gemini/AI offer sections where you'll be able to find this offer. Now for the live demonstration of how to activate it, just open your MyJio app, or if you are using it in system or you do not have the MyJio app, then do not worry, you can just activate it directly via their promotion link. You just click on it. First of all, you will be prompted to register interest. So just click on this register interest button. Once you click on that button, you will be navigated to this page. Here it will be saying you that thank you for your interest. We have received your request for Gemini offer from Jio, and we'll get in touch with you on the next steps in a few days. Once you click on this, in the next 3 to 5 business days, they will reach out to you. And once they have confirmed the eligibility, that is the age criteria, and that you are a first time Gemini Pro user, you'll be able to activate it for 18 months. Please remember, this isn't a hack. It's an official promotion program from a telecommunication partner. Promotions like this exist because providers partner with AI platforms to drive adoption. This is the only legal way to get it free for 18 months other than the student plan and the first time plan. Please mainly remember to not circumvent paywalls, use cracked apps, or share unauthorized keys. That risks account bans, legal trouble, and compromise security. Promotions are a time limited and region specific offer. If Jio Gemini offer ends or changes, the activation path may differ. Just review the terms before enabling any third-party AI through telecommunication. Avoid sending extremely sensitive personal or corporate data to a third-party platform without proper agreements. If anything goes wrong during the activation, just make sure to contact Jio support or consult the official help page. The provider is responsible for any and anything of the promotional access. Just like this video of the demo helped, subscribe and ring the bell to catch the latest legit AI offers and step-by-step demos. Share your experience with the Jio Gemini offer in the comments. Did the activation work for you, or did you face any problems? What features do you want to see next? Hit subscribe, drop a comment about the Gemini experiments, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.